I'm going to be showing you how to pre-register in Honkai Star Rail. So in order to pre-register for Honkai Star Rail, you need to be incorporating the citation guidelines. So pre-registration for Honkai Star Rail was available prior to its official launch, and this allowed players to claim various rewards upon release, including Star Rail Special Pass, Stellar Jade, and a 4-star character March 7th. So in order to pre-register, what you can do is just go to the official website and sign up with your HoYoverse account. This option unfortunately does not really exist since the game has already launched, but you could have done that by visiting the official website in the Safari or any of your browser that you have, and just go to the website and sign up with your HoYoverse account and just participate in the pre-registration event by your Twitter account, by using App Store, and this will help you claim rewards. This option is no longer available since the game has already launched, but this is just for general information. So in this way, you would have been able to successfully pre-register with Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.